Chapter 16, Gift. Simont laté, wanyenye que vu was asleep on iser matroen mlesi awakenadim. Sabaoth is pleased with the dedication of his children, et HAS helped them learn because the next task of their journey is quickly coming upon them. For the next 2 weeks, they need to learn their gift and how to use them. They must recognize it for themselves for them to appreciate them. Today, eat and meditate for Sabaoth's gift argivant. Wanyenye que vu woke up everyone, today, we will not jeûne, bu meditate. They had looked forward to training, bu at the same time, it truly relieved them. Thinking it was a surprise for them, because wanyenye que vu was acting mysterious, they kept their gear up anyway, just in case it was a trick. They prepared to go out to fish. Jom had got so caught up in his training that he was constantly meditating. Even now, he was thinking about how me wanyenye que vu and how his brother was fussing about him trying to touch the bubbleless wall. How are you doing that? Jom, said Jonathan. Jom turned to Jonathan, do what? Jonathan said, ouais. Jom looked around at everyone's face and saw a look of away on their face. Jom said to them, what? Jonathan ran to his stand, grabbed a mirror, and returned to Jom, look, et said. To his amazement, et had wanyenye que vu's body, face, en, everything, et was wanyenye que vu. Jom quickly stopped thinking, and he returned to himself. Jonathan said, you did me too. Jom talked about Jonathan, et changed into Jonathan and quickly changed back to himself. How did he do that? Jom said looking at wanyenye que vu. Wanyenye que vu said, this is your gift from Sabaoth. Looking at the rest, he said, continue to meditate, and your gift will manifest. Jom stood fishing, smiling and logging, et changed back to wanyenye que vu, looked at wanyenye que vu, truly, Sabaoth is able. A cold then not feeling rushed through Jom's entire body, then all of a sudden, he started saying things that no one understood. Jom looked at wanyenye que vu to ask him what was happening, and wanyenye que vu did a dance and started speaking another language as well. He stopped and told Jom to continue as Sabaoth blessed him. Wanyenye que vu spoke to the rest, this is the sign that Sabaoth HAS accepted you and given you your true indication of his acceptance to speak in other tongue, or en l'actement. Jonathan and Daniel were fishing, while the rest were scattered in different directions as they meditated and gathered beans and berry. Mercy was singing and collecting berry, her singing made her happy while grabbing a berry she couldn't take it rich. Then, suddenly, she heard her basket drop, but she had the berry in front of her eyes, but was large. She looked from side to side and saw this long object in front of her face. She stopped, Joy, how did he get up here? Surprised, Joy shouted, You're a bird. Mercy logged and quickly came down the tree, but unknowingly, she was a snake slithering down the tree. Clapping her hand, Joy told Mercy, do it again. Every time Joy clapped her hand, she saw sparks coming from her hand. She held her hand up, and electricity went out of her hand like lightning bolt. Excited, she pointed to Elisha. Elisha, she shouted, and a bolt off. Lightning shot from her hand and headed toward Elisha. Elisha held up his hand and saw the lightning racing toward him, but it. A force field and exploded on impact. Elia was fishing and heard everything so far away came running to see what all the excitement was about. He heard you all the way over there by the lake. Said Elia. Elisha replied. How is that possible? Before Elia could say a word, Joy pointed to the east. What is that cloud of dust coming from? Wanyenye que vu was approaching them. That is grass, she just ran 15 miles around the entire lake in 3.2 seconds. Jonathan was walking toward everyone, holding Daniel by the hand. It seemed like everyone HAS received their gift except Daniel and me, Jom said to Jonathan. If that is you holding Daniel's hand, you have received your well, for we can see you. Daniel looked at Jonathan. He felt his hand, but he was not there. Daniel smiled, saying, you're invisible. Wanyenye que vu was very proud and looked at everyone. Your gift are manifested, and Sabaoth is pleased. I continued, suddenly, everyone was dancing and speaking in new tongue. An hour went by before everyone stopped. Wanyényé que vu said. For the next 2 weeks, you are to perform a holy jeûne on your own and perfect your gift until we hear a word from Sabaoth. But know this, your skill and your gift go hand in hand. If you perform your skill without your gift, you are a man. If you perform your skill and you perform your gift, you are 10 times a man because Sabaoth has given you this gift, and you are with Sabaoth. Sabaoth is with you. Spiritual gift, a spiritual person, then we must fight in the spirit. Looking confused by his word, and before Anion could ask a question, Wanyényé que vu said, he know. He went through it well. Sabaoth will show you what he mean I showed me. The following day, everyone was practicing with their gift and Wanyényé que vu was near his tent, meditating. Everyone has their gift, but do not, Daniel said with a sad look on his face. Is it because I am young? A Wanyényé que vu sat up, he said, has nothing to do with it, Sabaoth bless wome shoes. Wanyényé que vu sat on his bed and asked, why this look of disappoint? Your gift has come. Is it not already dire? For did he not hear you spoke with new tongue yesterday? They began walking down a path, and Daniel became angry. Yes, but he don't know what it is, he can shoot this weapon. He fired 3 shots in the air and continued, he can throw this star. Throwing the star at a cactus, he hit it dead center, knocking off a berry. He can run 5 miles and fight with the best. Wanyényé que vu looked at Daniel. And you just killed that eagle, flying above with that carrel shot. The bird came hurling down to earth just a few yards near them. Daniel started crying and rushed to the bird. No. He cried. He didn't mean it. He held the bird, and after a moment, the wound started pushing out the bullet, and the bird was killed instantaneously and flew off. Daniel sat there crying and looking at the same time. Wanyényé que vu smiled, see, your gift is too ill, now let's see what else you can do. Daniel ran off with joy and excitement and ran to tell everyone a Wanyényé que vu went back to meditate. Before the day had ended, Wanyényé que vu gathered everyone together. Enjoy your gift and use them wisely, but never be jaloux of someone else's gift, or your gift will be taken away. Is a horse jaloux of a fish because it can swim? No neither is a fish jaloux of a horse, because it can run at great speed. Neither should you be jaloux of another's gift. They make up one body with many members. After a week of practicing and getting familiar with their gift, Wanyényé que vu gathered the group together. Kumbi, et shouted. To be a one, we need to know each other's strength and weakness, so what is it that Sabaoth has blessed you with? Seeing Daniel eager to tell his ability, smiling, he pointed to him. What is your gift? Daniel stood up. He have the gift to heal, but the more he heal, the weaker he get. He can only heal if it's still alive, my ability does not work on the dead. Wanyényé que vu said, interesting. Jom, sitting next to Daniel, stood up, he can alter my appearance to look like anyone that he think about, how well I become invisible. However, he grabbed Mercy's hand, me and Mercy have tried, but we cannot duplicate each other's gift. Mercy continued, true, he can only be animal that he think about, but he cannot alter myself to look human at all. Wanyényé que vu said, also, interesting. Jonathan stood up. He have the gift of invisibility for only an hour, however, he can turn visible for a second and return invisible for my time to start all over again. Wanyényé que vu shook he said. Next. Elia and his sister Grace stood up. Elia said, he can hear at very long distance, me and Grace tested how far he can hear, and it's 2 miles, and she was whispering at that. Grace said, he being modestly, he believe he can hear maybe 2.5 miles, but we are still working on it. Smiling at Elia as she continued, my gift is speed, he can travel 900 miles per hour without being tired or even breaking a sweat. What is so amazing is that it just seems like I'm jogging, except things are passing by me mighty fast. Jonathan interrupted, the speed with which she is going, plus the velocity being the rate of change of the position of an object, équivalent to a specification of ETS speed and direction of motion. Wanyene que vu interrupted him, in plain English, remember when you asked me almost, a year ago, today? Now, you speak English? Everyone logged a Jonathan continued, yes, I remember, but I have come a long way since then. Wanyene que vu was logging I interrupted Jonathan, we can't see you so him. Now, I wish we couldn't hear you. Everyone logged, including Jonathan. Jonathan cleared his 3, your first real joke, good one too. Sorry. In English, Grace, with speed, could kill an elephant just by tapping it lightly. And there are many other quality associated with her speed. Shaking his head, and getting serious, Wanyene que vu said, you and Elisha work with her on the other aspect of her speed that she is comfortable with. Wanyene que vu, looking amongst the crowd, Anion who is confused with their ability, check with these two for help. Joy stood up. I think mine and Grace's gift can be enhanced when working together, I can conduct electricity somia of a supercharger, if. You will, according to Elisha and Jonathan, I can produce over 152 or more amp. We are still working on it. Elisha stood up, I can create a force field at least 15 feet high in front of me or create a dome 15 feet in diameter, so far, I and only I can discharge object out of the field, but nothing we have tried can penetrate it. Wanyene que vu stood up, shaking his head, about his sable. I'm very pleased to hear of your finding, a Jom and Jonathan already know, but the rest do not. My gift is that I know if one is lying, or simply, I can read a person as at, and I have a second gift as well, I can see into the future up to 10 minutes, but during the Jeune Ender training. Now, I see ahead of time I please. Before, it would only appear in vision when danger was about to happen. They stood there discussing their gift, when suddenly, in the middle of nowhere, they were surrounded by thousands of Anakata. Wanyene que vu, confused and shocked because they had not seen it in his vision, shouted, Iwa. Everyone formed a circle with their back against each other. Wanyene que vu shouted, impie. There I saw a figure moving toward them. When the figure reached the front, it was Mlezi, and the Anakata disappeared, please sit. Jonathan fell to the ground, sobbing like a baby. Everyone looked at him, Mlezi said, leave him, for Sabaoth is dealing with this man for a special reason. He stopped and blessed Jonathan by touching him on the head and whispering in his ear. After a moment, he continued. The time for battle's near, and Sabaoth has truly prepared you all for what is coming. For the next 6 months, now that they have received their gift, it's time to teach them what Yael and I have taught you. After that, you shall see blood and death until you ante tuxon. After point de Dieu, you must leave this place and journey to repair les King Cactus Flat Arizona. You will not see me again until you arrive at that location. Mlezi disappeared. Wanyene que vu and the rest of the warriors discussed what they had seen that day before they prepared for the next day, and they all rested. Wanyene que vu lay down for the night and wrote, he released. It would seem hard, so, one might think, but yet instead. He asked, why are there so many questions about life with very few answers? There are some who put their trust in others, then he released. He released this, not for you, but for myself. There will never be any more answers. And if there are, they will be made up of men. By men. So, he took. Yeah, searched my hat. Not man's word, for they perish. Not philosophy, for it's just playing with word. Not law, for man's laws, it's so perverted. You see, he released. And you just might not, especially at this time. It's not something on your mind, but when you do. Will you humble yourself or simply call it craziness? May your help come. Many think that this help, that he got is not. He released, that greater is a that is in me. Then he will rule the world. For he will rule. Rules with pearl, greed, hatred, envy, and lust. He released, pearl, for the value it bring. That money that it create, cause greed. And greed, cause hatred, then envy. Yes, I say, den lust is conceived. I can go on and on, but to understand me is to understand et au sans me. To many, it sounds strange, but elam peculiar. To the mind of the carnal, even et that is flesh, is just that. Flesh. But let me say, et that is of the spirit. Can see the power, the glory, forever, amen. I realized, after I searched my heart. Did my part. I found that every man is a liar, and only one is the truth. So, until you find that power, that glory, life will be confusing to you. Hard, and let's not forget painful. Open your heart, open your eyes. So, you can say. Hey. I realized. Jonathan gather everyone together, the day before or a few days before, I can't remember. Anyway, before we came to Las Cruz, he was a bit of a jerk. Wanyeniekevu told me something about a wolf, he said, if you teach a wolf to be a dog all of its life, would it not know how to be a wolf? Deep inside, the dog would know something is wrong, but it would never know when it is told that it is a wolf. A day or two after meeting your family, no, it was the night that we heard the great explosion, the night after your father's death. He had a dream that was so real, a vision if you will, and in it, he was back home in South Carolina, he saw himself a stray dog begging for bread. Being kicked around by computant and surrounded by prostitute, pain, drug dealer, and the like. After a while, he started dating myself and dating computant, he started beating everyone so no one would kick me around again until everyone feared me. Then all man looked at me and said, "Are you finished?" He grabbed me, took me into the forest, and told me to choose a group to live with. He saw bears, he saw snakes, he saw wolves, and he saw dogs. He picked the dogs, but he was usual and didn't have anyone to fear me. So, he started leading a pack of dogs and killing off the rest of the animal. But he couldn't kill the pack of wolves. He tried, and he tried but was unsuccessful, and the old man returned and took me by the river and told me to look at myself, and he looked into the river. He saw a dog, but the old man took a stick, hit the waters, and told me to look again, he was a wolf. That, old man, was lazy. He paused, wiping the tears from his eyes. Yesterday, Mlazy whispered in my ear, "You are now a wolf." Wanyeniekevu looked at Jonathan, "You are a wolf now, back then, you were on a shoal." Everyone looked at Wanyeniekevu with shock and laughter. Jonathan logged, "Now, that is the best one yet." They said, "Karma is a bitch." They talked for hours before they trained in a point de Dieu now more spiritual than carnal, they could understand and complete the training efficiently. 1.5 years at that location, they walked in as children and came out as about as warriors, and during that time, Wanyeniekevu wrote a series of poems before he left. Now 20 years old and with a new family, he felt very close to the group and wanted to share his thoughts, his poetry. Please gather around for a little of some of the poetry he have written. The group gathered together and said, méditation. Méditation, concentration, consécration. We a believer, those things of this nature to increase our faith. But there are times, when you don't feel this way. You're the son, daughter of a king. It was said, let us create man in our own image. That is why some say, we are God. We are a dynasty, an empire, that has been beaten down. Tired, even frustrated at this life. Yes, even with the pain. Your faith is being tested. Your patience has to grow, has to glow. A fool believes God isn't there, a fool thinks God doesn't take care. But the only thing that helps me understand is consecration, concentration and meditation. Et read, look here, look here. Look here, look here. A place beyond the sphere. Street of gold, and fear is never near. Love is everywhere. Peace and serenity, whisper from the trees into my ear. No evil, darkness, pain. No cry from the eyes, that you love so dear. Holy, 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 is all you hear. Look here, look here. And finally, et read, if you only knew then, what you know now. Remembering my youth, there were so many questions in my mind. Talked to so many people, asking them, why? Many didn't give an answer, for they were asking the same question. So, he chose to ask the elders. They answered some, but not all. Some of the answers puzzled me. Through time, all of the answers appeared to me. If he only knew then what he know now. Nature, women, education, money, and history. A list of the few things that puzzled me. They were on my mind at that particular time. Love, hatred, jalousie, and envy. So many questions, but not enough answers. If only he knew then what he know now. Would it have made me a better person, today? Wanyene que vu closed his notepad, looked at Jonathan, smiled, and opened it back up, one more. Stucon stupid. Jonathan said, hold on, now. Wanyene que vu logged, his eyed dog, all ring? Tell you what, let me read it and let them decide. Jonathan gave him a look, oh, okay. Walking through the countryside to ease my mind. About these times that are attend. The silly demand of human, of men. Everyone espace, is not the same. Everyone that calls on his name, are they not really serious? Or is it only for monetary gain? To each individual, it's a different thing. My weakness, are not your weakness. So how can you endure my pain? Through my journey, I've experienced things that he did not know. He now know. He did the things he was told. But their judgment, their decision were not my own. This is why, he feels the way he feel. Yes, he do the things he do at this time. Dealing with the many things in life. That we all must consider, before it's the end of time. Love, faith, hope, and belief just the things he, only, consider wrong and right. I've seen this a total of 3 times. The sight was enough to change my mind. You see, I used to always listen to the man of all, hanging on the corner drinking. You know Toscan. They knew something he didn't, they were willing to share. He listened to them, when he was there. They were older than he, they had something he wanted. Knowledge. Many said, don't hang with those men. But the things that they said, made me who I am. He was confused until he realized that life they lived, was not for them. It was not for me. It was not mean. Had to sit still long enough to see. Yes, something that made a little more sense to me. He couldn't open my mind to breathe. Open my mind to see. At first, he was concerned a little to go à laisser degrés. He wasn't trying to be greedy, just pay the bill. One thing led to another, ran to a new way. He wanted to be a help, a guide. So, one day, when he have my son. He wouldn't see the thing that he have seen, through my eyes. He wanted a love, wanted someone to be a mother. Nowhere to really to call home, he still was pretty much on my own. But there was friends and family who had my back. He needed something to do in my spare time, so, he started writing my idea, my thoughts, on paper. Maybe someone will read them later. He didn't notice, but someone had stopped to stare. She opened her mouth, he loved what came out. So, he inquired of her. If she was true, could this be the mother? Elle, even a love. Because of her, I'm saying this to you. At an age, now, to settle down. From such a long journey. I've traveled far and wide. Traveling in search of the three keys, as wide as the deep blue sea. Searched, he needed someone to comfort me. Assist me, help me, and confront me. Who was sent by the amnesty above, some might say Cupid, cause until now, he was stuck on stupid. Jonathan looked at Wanyene que vu, he loved it I looked at Joy. Yeah, he was stuck on stupid.